how to become an Amazon delivery driver in Canada. So here's what you want to do. Load up your browser on your phone and Google search for this. Register Amazon Flex Canada. Amazon Flex is the program that lets you become a delivery driver. So you want to click on this option here, how to become an Amazon Flex delivery driver. Now, once you click on it, it's going to show us how it works. You will need to first, once you've downloaded the app and set up your account, you can look for delivery driving opportunities that fit your schedule. You will open up the Amazon Flex app to search for available delivery blocks in your area. With every offer, you will see expected earnings. Then next, you will have to make your deliveries and you will get paid and enjoy life. So how does it work? Basically, here at the top, you will see download on the App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on whether you have an Android or iPhone. Here, you will click on download the app. Unfortunately, it's not available in my region, but you will download the app, follow the prompts to sign up, and after you have signed up, you can begin delivering. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.